Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the rocker cover gasket on this Briggs Stratton engine, you will need a 7mm socket and a 10mm socket with an extension and a 3/8" universal joint adapter. Before you begin this procedure, make sure the engine and muffler have cooled. Using the 7mm socket, unthread the 4 mounting screws, securing the guard to the muffler. Use the 10mm socket with an extension to unthread the rear screw, securing the guard's mounting strap to the bracket. Remove the guard and detach the breather tube from the rocker cover. Now use the 10mm socket to unthread the 4 mounting screws, securing the rocker cover to the cylinder head. You will need to use the 3/8" universal joint adapter to unthread the top screw. With the 4 screws unthreaded, you can detach the cover and remove the old gasket, if still intact. Clean off any residue. To install the new rocker cover gasket, insert the top mounting screw through the cover and slide the new gasket over the screw. Align the cover and gasket on the cylinder head and thread the screw. Replace the remaining screws to fully secure the cover. The longer screw goes on the bottom. Reinsert the breather tube into the hole in the cover. Reinstall the muffler guard by positioning it over the muffler. Then thread the screw to secure the strap to the bracket. Thread the 4 front mounting screws to secure the guard to the muffler. The engine should now be ready for use.